this episode of Dragon Ball Z.
I heard that you need to make a hole deeper.
Yeah.
Can you give me this one?
Deep enough, and then need you big for a little bit.
Let me see.
Yeah. Use this one.
Turn on the electric.
Oh, yes. 1 second.
Give me the yellow. Yeah. No electric.
Hi guys, so what's happening here is I am installing a water heater for my mother. Actually, the water heater was my father's idea. She sometimes can get pretty crazy about it, but he had to do something else, so I came to do it. However, I didn't have all the parts, so at the end it kind of looks funky. It was fixed after, but the main thing is that I got it up and I connected some things. I think that was the main thing to do. Here I just connected the wall anchors. Now I'm gonna hang the water heater on top, blah blah blah, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's a really short one. It's not gonna be much happening here. Hopefully I've got some more content later, but again, if you want something special, let me know.
Check if have Haifa.
Yeah.
Brick behind this house. You don't get electrocuted.
ממוני. אני לא משתמשת, אבל
לא רוצה ממכרים?
אני רוצה מים פושרים. אז מה, אני צריכה לפתור את שני דושים?
את יכולה כל הזמן זה או... תקשיבי, לא יודע, זה או אחד